Have you ever dreamed of living off-grid in a cozy cabin high up in the mountains? Yeah, me too. Today's home tour, we are exploring a minimalist stone and timber cabin tucked privately away in the snowy mountains. I, for one, am already very relaxed. This place has that effect on you. So sit back, chill out. It's time to let us in. I told you it was cozy. There's a lot of beautiful timber in this interior, and it's not just the flooring and this timber paneling on the ceiling, but in some of these beautiful pieces which have actually been handmade by the owners. This custom bench included for the kitchen as all of this kitchen joinery. Forgive me if I feel like I'm just making myself at home, but I did have the pleasure of spending the night here last night, so I do kind of feel like this is my home now. So I am going to make myself a cup of tea. I really like the simplicity of the materials in this kitchen. This concrete paneling works well against that timber detailing, and also the softness of this rose gold within the hardware. That's consistent throughout this home. We're going to see that later in the bathroom. It's just very simple. It's very thoughtful. There are clever little details such as this simple timber paneled sliding door with the joinery. It's modest. It's everything that you need and nothing more. Subtle strip lighting as well, bringing up a bit of that concrete detail. It is very warm, like temperature-wise, very hot in this space, but I'm gonna make it a little bit hotter because why not? That did not take long to heat up this space, which is very important, especially in the middle of winter because we are in the snowy mountains. So our living space here, it does have plenty of seating and it has a great aspect. Obviously, it's all about the view out to the mountains in front of us and also the trees off to the side. More handmade pieces like the leather chairs, the coffee table. They really only brought in a few pieces like this 3-seater sofa. Everything else has actually been custom made for this space. This modest bedroom is all about the view. Aspects through to the trees, both behind you in the bed and out to the side. Simple bed details, and these bedside tables, again, handmade, and I love the way that they've hidden the PowerPoints away so you can't see them at eye line. So everything's just been considered. You know, PowerPoints are kind of tucked away. It's just about the view, nature outside, and also the incredible materials. Speaking of which, through this sliding door, the richness of the materials come alive here in the bathroom. It's very moody. It continues with this concrete paneling. It's more robust with this heavy concrete basin. Custom timber joinery as well for this bathroom vanity. The softness of the rose gold, which continues into the shower. I mean, it's just a moment in here. It's quite dark, very moody in that shower. It has a cocoon-like kind of cave almost sensibility, and it also feels quite cool within this space. Back around here, we do have a cheeky laundry tucked away here. Very simple, but everything that you need. I'm gonna get my tea. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna let that sit. And guys, the sun has come out, so it's time to take a close look outside. This really is something else out here. It's such a special property. And another way to enjoy it is here in your very own outdoor timber bath. That is huge for one, but you've got to turn around and look at what I am seeing because this is something special. The exterior design of these cabins was very much a nod to the old stockman's huts of the Australian high country, which you can definitely get that sense of. That stonework, the timber, it's very raw. It very much feels part of nature. The way those materials connect with the surroundings very much was the intent of the homeowners. They actually fell in love with the snowy mountains and moved here from Melbourne to live a slower, simpler way of life. This home is known as Mill Cabin, and it was given that name because it was part of an old timber mill, the Wallandibby Mill, which is no longer operational. It's a 15-acre property, and this is the only dwelling on this site. So when I say it's secluded, I really do mean it. The home is very much harmonious with nature, and whilst it does work within its setting, you do very much feel like you're simply a guest here because it's the wildlife that really own this area. The birds, wallabies, kangaroo, I even saw deer before. You can't help but just sit back and watch as nature unfolds around you. The homeowners designed this cabin together, both a designer and a carpenter. They brought their skills together in order to bring this cabin to life. They wanted to create a modest cabin that celebrated minimalist values, but function is also very important in this home. It's all about creating a functional home to live in, but not going over the top. That simplicity and that peeling away of extra actually does allow you and actually forces you to slow down. This home is much more than just a house. It presents a way of life, and that realization that having less can actually bring you closer to contentment. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this cabin tour. I certainly did. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more home tours coming your way. Cheers.